If you ever dreamed of earning passive income while sipping a cold drink on the beach, or even just lying on your couch in pajamas, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can make $1,000 per month with eBooks in 2025. And I'm not talking about writing a 500-page novel about dragons and romance, unless that's your thing, of course. What I'm talking about is creating short, simple ebooks that can generate cash while you're doing literally anything else, watching Netflix, napping, or even playing with your dog. Sounds too good to be true? Well, spoiler alert, it's not. Stick around and I'll show you the exact steps to get started. But first, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Alright, so why ebooks? I mean, why not just sell t-shirts or start a podcast? Well, the truth is, ebooks are one of the easiest and cheapest ways to create passive income, especially in 2025. You're not dealing with inventory, shipping, or returns. It's all digital. Just like your favorite memes. Instead of dealing with printing costs, you just create the content once and boom, you have a product that can sell forever. And since ebooks are super low cost to produce, you keep more of your profits, which is very important when you're trying to get that sweet passive income. So, what kind of ebooks are we talking about here? Well, the beauty of this is that you don't have to be an expert. You just need to pick a niche that people are interested in. And guess what? There are millions of niches in 2025. Let's break it down. You have self-improvement, health and fitness, side hustles, travel hacks, personal finance, and cooking tips. Let's say you're super into personal finance. You could write a simple guide on how to save money in 2025. Or, if you're a fitness junkie, how about a 7-day homework plan? Even if you're not an expert, people want tips from people who've been there. Your experiences are valuable. If you're still stuck, think about problem solving. What problems are people trying to solve in 2025? How to save money on groceries, or how to deal with remote work burnout? It's that simple. Seriously, you don't need to overthink it. Write about what you know, or better yet, what you're willing to research for a few hours. Now, you're probably thinking, writing a book? That sounds like a work. Well, don't worry. You don't have to be the next J.K. Rowling. In fact, you can create an ebook in a weekend, if you know the right strategy, of course. Chapter 1. Problem Overview. Chapter 2. Solutions. Chapter 3. Easy to follow tips. Conclusion. Call to action. Subscribe to newsletter, check out your other books, that type of things. Start by outlining your ebook in easy to digest chapters. No one wants to read a 100-page textbook. Just keep it short. Anywhere from 20 to 50 pages is perfect. And trust me, people love short, snackable content. Next, use a tool like Google Docs or Scrivener to write your content. Don't worry about perfection right now. Just get your thoughts down. You can always edit later, but getting started is key. Look, I know it's tempting to keep hitting the delete button and trying to make it perfect, but trust me, your future self will thank you if you just finish the dang thing. Alright, now that your content is written, let's talk about design. No, you don't need to hire fancy designer. In 2025, you can create a beautiful, professional-looking ebook in minutes, using free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Pick a template, add your text, throw in some images, and boom, you've got yourself a gorgeous ebook cover. Canva even has free images, fonts, and illustrations to make it look like you spent hours designing it, when in reality, it's just a few clicks. See, who said you need to be a graphic designer? It's all about working smarter, not harder, as I always say in my videos. If you made it this far, don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of niches will you decide to pursue in to create your first ebook. And smash that follow button so you won't miss any other videos. Good. Now that your ebook is written and designed, it's time to publish and start making money. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is hands down the easiest way to get your book out there. You can publish it in minutes and reach millions of readers worldwide. Or, if you want to avoid Amazon fees, you can sell your ebook directly through Gumroad or Etsy. Both platforms let you upload your ebook and set your own price. Set your price right. Most people sell ebooks for anywhere between $5 and $30, and watch as you earn passive income every time someone buys your book. And remember, you don't have to do anything after the sale. It's all passive, baby. So there you have it. How to make $1,000 per month with ebooks in 2025. The best part? Once your book is published, it's working for you 24/7 while you go on with your life, whether you're watching cat videos or catching up on your favorite Netflix series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your ebook idea gonna be. And remember, your future self will thank you for starting today. I'll see you in the next one. Keep hustling, keep writing, and keep that passive income rolling in.